Hi friends, it's December 9th and guess what? We are having a giveaway! Yeah! Woo! It's a new giveaway. So remember to be active in the comments below and tell me what you think. What do you think of the products? Do you have any special products that you would like to get in the giveaway? The chances of winning are pretty high, I must say. It's actually really high. So come on, be active, get into the giveaway. So what I'm going to do is that I'm saving up everything from day one and up till now, all the comments, everyone, and I will make a draw from that, from your from your comments. If you are a subscriber, even better. This is so much fun. I really want to give you something here. So today, day number 9. Let's start with Harrods as usual. They have 2 products for today. Let's see what they have. One is from Hourglass and the other one is from Beauty Effect. So this is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. It's 0.07 ounces or 2 grams. Looks like this. This is actually a really good one, so I'm happy about that. But I'm not mad about this one either. It's a beauty blender from Beauty Effect. Beauty Effect blender. So that's this one. Yeah, so this is a basic packaging like this and like this. But I'm so excited about this. This is really good. Charlotte, what do you have for us today? Charlotte Tilbury. Another full-size pen of some sort. I'm not sure yet what it is. No, it's not a full size. I see that now. But it is lip cheat. It's a reshape or resize lip liner. Crayon contour. Walk of no shame. And this is really nice color, I think. Lipstick was also Walk of no shame. Let me just try the lipstick next to it. Oh yeah, that's really good. So on top is the lip liner and on the bottom is the lipstick. Walk of no shame from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, number 9 from Hot Beauty. What is this? This looks advanced. So, it comes like this. And it is from Dr. Dennis Gross. It's a Perm Infusions Plump Plus Repair Lip Treatment. Okay. So you have to press this, I guess, into this to activate it. Have you ever tried this? Looks so... with all of this, it looks so advanced, you know. But yeah, Dr. Dennis Gross is having quite a few good products, so this could be good. If you have tried it, comment below, please. Then from SpaceNK, number 9. It's a big one. Let's move over so we can get it out. And it's heavy. Oh, it's 2 products. It's actually 2 products. So let's see what SpaceNK have for us. So the first one is their own branded SpaceNK Caribbean Shores Body Lotion. Mandarin, coconut and sandalwood with ashwagandha and aloe vera. It looks really small, but it's actually 100 milliliters or 3.38 fluid ounces. So that was this. Oh, wow. That smells so nice. Oh, and the next one is from Laneige. It's a cream skin, Serapeptide, Soothe, Visibly Firm and Nourish. So it says for normal to dry skin, Main ingredient is the serapeptide, ceramide and peptide. White leaf tea. You know how I like my ceramides and my peptides, especially the peptides. So, oh, this looks like a milk. Is it a, yeah, oh, it's a mist. Let me just try it. Oh, fine mist. Serapeptide. Let me just try some. That was really nice. I think Laneige has come out with so much new products lately. I'm not sure if this is new, but I have never seen it. This is 30 ml or 1.01 fluid ounces. That was it for day 9. And don't forget our giveaway. Comment below and you could win some of this. It's up to you. And I'll see you again tomorrow for a new unboxing. See you then. Bye.